Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy, semi-homemade tomato soup. I served it on Christmas Day. Everybody raved about it. Ate every last bite of it. And I served it with French bread with melted cheese. So good. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with a can of stewed tomatoes. Put them in the bowl. Half a cube of Philadelphia cream cheese. Just toss it right in there. And then we're going to try to beat it till there's no lumps. You could do it with your food processor, but this is easier. So let's give it a try. Oops, I kind of... This is an emulsifier, probably, and it liquefies all the ingredients in here. So, okay, let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, look how, look, no lumps, nothing. Nice and smooth. Okay, so we'll set this aside. We're done with this part. Okay, so we're going to start by melting the butter. This is a half a stick of butter. And then I cut a medium onion, and garlic. I'll put the directions in my description. Now we're going to add tomato soup. Condensed. Okay. This is V8 tomato juice. And bring that to a simmer. You don't really want this to boil. Put half and half slowly. And now we're going to add the cream cheese and stewed tomatoes. Do not bring this to boil. You're just supposed to get it to simmer. So I'm going to put it in my crock pot on low and keep an eye, make sure I don't really want it boiling away or anything. So now I'm going to put it in my crock pot. Fits perfectly. Okay, so we took French bread. I got this in a giant. Cut them in half. And I took shredded cheese. Okay, so they're ready. So this is ready. All we do is cut these in little squares.